Christmas on December 23rd. We have only 2 more days. So what do we have on the Merry Marching Band today? What's that? Squirrel?
Looks like a squirrel.
What's its instrument?
Drum.
Oh, it's got a drum. Little drummer boy.
Little drummer squirrel.
Little drummer squirrel. Like throwing rocks on our roof. And we'll start with the cat calendar. Got some bugle bells going on. Cat calendar's kind of falling apart, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not a good one. The cats don't even like the treat, so we'll not get this for next
There's
year.
actually a 25th one in there.
I will not get this.
Unless you know your cats like these treats, don't bother.
Of course, it's a cat. Cats
got
are
a
often finicky.
We got them cat toys before, and we put them in catnip, and they seem to like them then.
I find those all over the place. They don't really like the toys. The new little guy probably would.
They like them.
Oh, it's a little bear.
Another little chocolate bear.
Yeah, 23.
And Phyllis is getting ready to go to work, so we're trying to get through these fairly quickly. Oh, it's a shortbread.
You act so surprised every time.
You have
It's
to
a
act
whole calendar of shortbread.
surprised. Only 2 more, and the 24th is all a different color.
This will not come
this
out.
one's a trick. Very tricky.
And it looks like little orange slices.
More gummies. The blue ones, like yesterday, were really good, weren't they?
No, I didn't like them.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
I like the blue ones.
I didn't really
And
like them that much.
we got Nativity next. As I move a chair out of the way. Well, that one's hard to get to.
You're gonna have to put the manger back. Manger fell.
We had a manger error.
Oh, it's another camel.
2 camels.
No, it's one. Well, it's missing a.
I mean, it's our second camel.
Oh, maybe that's how it works. There's the camel.
It's that camel's laying down.
Yeah.
Tired camel. Can we get the last wine today?
Look at me. A red blend from Portugal.
My camera's all acting up because I got it too far down. A Portuguese red blend. Nice bottle.
Okay.
Wine is done.
Good.
And then we got 23rd on coffee.
It's my last day of work till 2022.
I gotta work 3 days next week.
And these.
That one's not helpful. And that one is one that we don't know.
I don't know that one.
It's coffee though. All right, then we got Inkvent.
Oh.
You forgot about Inkvent.
Yeah, I got that one.
Some of them are easier to see when she leaves the door open though, because there's only so many that don't have
It looks
doors.
like, is it Wonderland? And it is a standard ink. It looks like a
Like an orangey sort of thing.
orangey red sort of thing.
All right, and then we got, almost went to the 24th for some reason. The whiskey calendar. I had one of my whiskeys last night that was quite good. I had the Jura whiskey last night, actually. And we've got Darkness. This is a young whiskey. It's an 8-year-old, 47%. Not heard of that one, so we'll see how that turns out. So we have 1 more day of Advent left, and then we get to celebrate the coming of Christ. And I gotta fix the manger. So Merry Christmas.